Hello, today we'll be icing a cake. So stuff you'll need some icings in different colors. Let me bring my other icings over as well. I have some in pink, green and white. I have already created some chocolates for our icing as well, and we're ready. So, and we have our cakes. The cake is literally out of a box, so we're just trying to make it look prettier. Okay, so put the first one on, first layer of the cake, and it's good. Let's start icing. There we go. Even it out before doing the next layer. Go. Put your other layer on it. Make sure the cake is not too hot before doing this. Create a base with white icing. Cut it out, huh?
Okay, go.
I put these pink little flowers around the bottom, so it'll make it look a little bit cleaner. So there you go. You just have to kind of do this, and that's it. Okay. Now, on the sides, we're going to put in some green frosting, grassy looking thing. So let's see how that goes. Now we just made like a little bit of a grassy look on the side because, you know, pandas are animals. So now what we're going to do is on top of the cake we're going to make the face of a panda. So these two are going to be our ears. So let's put those up here. We'll put one over here and we'll put the other one over here. Right? Then these are going to be the eyes of the panda. There we go. And okay, so we had the eyes, like the blacks of the eyes. We want to give it a little bit of a white in here as well. As Panda do have a little bit of a white. And after that, we're going to make the panda face using this. It's gonna be his nose. A little bit of an, give it a little more of an eye. Yeah, there we go. We got a panda.